Welcome home! Remodeled in 2018. This impressive riaed ranch home boasts an open floor plan that's perfect for entertaining and seamless everyday living. The open concept kitchen features matching stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and new cabinetry. West LED underlighting. Large IMPRESIVE stainless steel range hood over the gas. Chef's oven leading to dining room. Features a stunning new light fixture open to the living room. Refinished hardwood floors complete the look of this fabulous living area. Both full bathrooms feature a vanity mirror like custom ceramic tile floor. Newer shower heads / plumbing fixtures. Entire home was repainted in neutral colors. Extras include fully fenced in yard, new siding, and oversized 2-car garage with refinished floors and plenty of storage. Wonderful rear deck that is great for entertaining guests. Some pictures are virtually staged to give you furniture / decorating ideas for your new home. Make your appointment today as inventory is low and this may not last long.